There are so many different tax credits that could save your business thousands, even millions of dollars. And in this video, we're gonna talk about each one. Before we jump in though, I'm gonna need you to like, I'm gonna need you to comment, and I'm gonna need you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any wealth building information. Now let's get after it. What is a tax credit? A tax credit literally is like dollars. It is like money that is sitting on the table for you that you can utilize to lower your tax bill. Many people focus on tax write-offs, tax deductions, but I am going to tell you tax credits are super important, and they're like money that is just sitting there. It helps to lower your overall tax liability. So let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, I owe an overall tax liability of $10,000. If I could get a $2,000 tax credit, that's going to lower the amount I owe from $10,000 less the $2,000 down to $8,000. Just that simple. That is why understanding tax credits, especially as a business owner, is mission critical for you, because you do not, cannot, will not leave that type of money on the table. So we're just going to go over a few of the different types of tax credits that are out there for you. One tax credit that every single business owner should be looking at is ITC. What is that? That's investment tax credit. It is a significant, and I do mean significant, credit for businesses that are investing in renewable energy, solar energy, and it can really save you a lot of dollars. Probably the best way that I can put it for you is that if you own a home, for example, and let's say you go buy a washing machine or a dryer, and it has an energy efficient tag on it. Well, when you think about being a business owner, if you are putting anything in your business that you are investing in, investment tax credit, that you are investing in that is going to allow for renewable energy, take down your consumption of electricity, utilize any type of solar, you are going to get a tax break. And you may not even be aware that that's even an option inside of your business. So I want you to start being business smart, tax credit smart, and start thinking about, is that computer I'm purchasing energy efficient? Is anything we're using solar related? Think about that, and think about the investment tax credit that could be on the table for you, that could be saving you thousands of dollars on your tax return. Another type of credit is the production tax credit. The PTC, production tax credit, is another vital federal incentive, but it's focused on the energy produced rather than the investment. It's predominantly used for wind projects, but also covers renewable sources, and it could give potential businesses big credit amounts about renewable energy that they are generating. There are tons of credits that you can utilize. There's the business energy investment credit, solar energy credits that you can be utilizing for your business, general business credits that you could be utilizing for your business. There's hiring credits. There's research and development credits. There's so many different credits. There's advanced energy manufacturing credit, the MTC credit. The thing that I want you to understand is not to think, oh, I got to remember all of these credits. Absolutely not. What I want you thinking about is, you know what? This is what my business is doing. Is there a credit available for my business so that you can get potential tax savings, so you can reduce your overall business tax liability? Here's the thing that you got to be mindful of, and this is so important. When you are really thinking about growing your business, where to locate your business, what you should be doing from a business perspective, you have to be looking at the state your business is in. Is there any state credits? Are there any credits in the county? Are there any local credits that I might be able to take advantage of? When you think about businesses relocating to different venues, a lot of businesses locate to Texas, a lot of businesses locate to New York. Why do you think they're doing that? That is because those states have offered them tax credits. And so it's so important for you to understand that as a business owner, when you're making those strategic decisions, you got to be making those decisions not just based on location or taxes. You got to be making those decisions on tax credits as well. You may be thinking about hiring somebody, and one applicant could give you hiring credits over another applicant, and that can lower your overall payroll tax bill. So when you're thinking about making decisions in your business, you got to realize, not only do I have to think about the cost, not only do I need to think about the income taxes, let me start wrapping my mind around the tax credits. And here's how you need to do that. You have to stay informed. Many of us, and I get it, you guys are relying on your tax professionals. I just want to make sure that you always bring that conversation to the forefront with your tax professional. Say to them, are there any tax credits that I should be taking advantage of? Is there anything new in my location? Is there anything new about how I'm running my business? Is there anything new about the equipment that I invested in my business? Is there anything new about the people I hired in this geographical location? These are the types of questions that you want to start to ask your tax professional. They may or may not know it off the top of their head, but you're going to put it on their mind so they could go do some research for you and make sure that you are utilizing all the tax credits that can help lower your overall tax liability, reduce your overall out-of-pocket so that you can keep more cash in your pocket. You have to stay informed. You have to learn about what's available in your jurisdiction. And here's the thing, my friends, I know this may come as a surprise, but it is your responsibility to keep up with it. It really is. Or always engage with somebody that is keeping up with it. It's important that we're not just doing things the way we did it last year, because I can tell you things are changing every single year. Every time that I am reading my tax publications and reading what's going on, there is something new that is available to business owners, but a lot of us are not taking advantage of it because we don't have the knowledge base. You now have a knowledge base to be able to take advantage of those types of things as well. That's how wealth is built. That's how businesses lower their tax liability. And that is how businesses keep their money in their pocket so they can reinvest back in their businesses. In order to help you find tax credits, one thing that I would say you want to do is literally be on the IRS website, search for business tax credits, see what comes up. Go to your state website for whatever state that you're located in. Go to the Revenue Department website of that state and Google for tax credits. Go to the county website for the county that you're located in and Google for tax credits. Go to the local municipality, the city that you're located in and Google for tax credits. This is the best way to find it because a lot of municipalities, counties, state governments, they're gonna have that type of stuff on their website. And although you may not fully understand it, just the fact that you're aware of it, the fact that you can talk about it will allow for your tax professional to do some more research for you so you don't miss out on it. And now that you know better, my friends, you absolutely have to do better. You now know that businesses can take advantage of tax credits. You now know that tax credits help to reduce your overall income tax bill for your business. You now know there's a plethora, a list of tax credits that you could go out and see if you qualify for. You now know how to search for it on the government website for the IRS, the state revenue department, the local county department, your state municipality, and you now know when you're thinking about moving, perhaps you can move in a location that is going to give you great tax incentives. When you know better, you have to do better, which is why you have to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things business, tax,